In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF to Google Sheets. We're going to place a clickable link to a PDF stored in Google Drive directly into a cell, so it's easy for you or your collaborators to open the file right from your spreadsheet. This method keeps your sheet tidy and avoids file size issues because Google Sheets doesn't embed the full PDF. It links to it. Start by heading to google.com. In the top right corner, open the Google Apps grid and choose Sheets. On the Sheets homepage, you can create a blank spreadsheet or open an existing one you want to work on. Once your sheet is open, click the empty cell where you want the PDF link to live. This tells Sheets exactly where to insert the link. Next, go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Link. A small dialog will appear asking for a URL and the text you want to display in the cell. We'll come back to this in a moment because first we need the shareable link to the PDF. Open Google Drive and locate the PDF you want to add. Click the Share icon. Under General Access, switch the setting to anyone with the link. This is important. If you leave it restricted, other people who view your spreadsheet may not be able to open the file. Confirm the access change by clicking Done. Now click the More Actions icon for that same PDF. Hover over Share and choose Copy Link. This copies the shareable drive URL to your clipboard. Return to your Google Sheet. In the link dialog, paste the link you just copied into the URL field. In the text field, type a clear, descriptive title. Something like the file name or a short label people will recognize at a glance. When you're happy with the text, click Apply. Your cell now displays the text as a clickable hyperlink, and selecting it will open the PDF from Drive. A couple of quick notes to ensure everything works smoothly. Permissions are key. Anyone who needs to open the PDF from your sheet must have access via that link, which is why we switched the general access setting. If you're working within an organization and don't see the Anyone with the link option, your admin may restrict sharing. In that case, make sure the right people are added with at least viewer access. Also, keeping the link text short and consistent helps your sheet look clean and makes navigation easier. That's it. You've linked a PDF to a Google Sheets cell using a Drive Share link.